Okay, we'll see the Twitter marketing today. So, what exactly we have to do in Twitter means we need to post updates about our company products and services. Continuously, we need to engage the audience, Twitter audience, who is following our Twitter profile. They'll get updates. To increase more followers and to engage with the users, we need to be active in Twitter. Okay. So in India, Twitter marketing is not very much important actually, but if you work for any US or European clients, Twitter is very active and they need continuous updates. First of all, you need to set up the account in Twitter. How to set up the account? Open twitter.com, sign up. Okay. Click edit profile. It will ask you to fill some details, enter the logo, our banner, name, description, location, website URL. All these details you have to enter. Once you are done with this, click save. Your profile will be created. Your profile will be created like this. Initially, following, everything will be zero. Nobody knows about your company initially. Whenever you create a profile in Twitter, everything will be zero. Followers as well as following. Following means we are following some people. Okay. Followers means who are following us. Followers means whoever is following us, those people are followers. Okay. So, how to get more followers? And first of all, whom we have to follow? If we go and follow other people, then only they'll come to know. For example, if you are a very big celebrity, then no need to go and follow anybody. Okay. Automatically people will follow you. But if you start in a new company, or if you are working for any new client, which is completely new, nobody knows about the brand, then what you have to do? You need to do some marketing in Twitter. You need to follow other people. Then only they'll follow you back. So slowly you need to build a brand. Okay. So to whom we have to follow? Whom we have to follow actually? And how can we find targeted people related to our business? We can use some methods like some syntaxes as well as some tools. Some third-party tools we have. We can use those tools and find the metrics, find the audience and follow them. So the first method to find the targeted people related to our business is you can use the hashtags. For example, hashtag and you can use hashtag and type digital marketing services. For example, assume that you are having a digital marketing company. You want to find some profiles who are all posting some tweets related to digital marketing services. So whenever you enter the keyword using hashtag, it will show all the tweets. It will show all the tweets which are posted by various people related to your business. You can just follow them. So if you follow other people, what will happen? Whenever they post any updates, you will get those updates in your timeline. Okay. Even if it is a person or company, you can follow the people who have posted the tweets using this hashtag. So hashtag can be used in Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, anywhere. So it is like it will connect with all other related tweets. If I click this hashtag, what will happen? It will show all other related tweets. Whoever posted this hashtag, it will connect with all those people. Okay. Not only one keyword actually, use different combinations. Digital marketing company, digital marketing services, and you can use what is digital marketing. Or if you are running an institute, you can type digital marketing courses, digital marketing career. Okay. If you are working for any hospital client, you can type hospitals in Bangalore, laparoscopy surgery. Okay, whatever the services you are offering related to that service, you can enter the keyword Find those people and follow them. This is one method to follow the people. You can also open your competitor profile, see their followers. For example, assume that this is your competitor profile. Okay. You can also follow your competitor to know their updates, what kind of updates they're posting. And you can also follow your competitor followers. Okay. No need to follow their following, just follow your competitor followers. For example, your competitor may have some targeted audience, good followers. You can follow them so that they'll get update about your company. They'll get notification. They'll get notification about your follow. If they come and follow you back, you will get free followers. That means you will get genuine followers. Okay. Like this, just to find the targeted profiles, your competitor profiles, just follow the competitor as well as your competitor followers also you can follow so that they will also come to know about your business. This is one method. Other method to find the targeted people is you can use the Google search box. Enter the keyword like for example web design services, colon symbol, follows on Twitter. Okay. So it will show all the web design services related Twitter profiles as well as some individual profiles also. It may show some individual profiles who mentioned web design services in their tweets or somewhere. It will also show the websites. For example, I got the Twitter profile directly. I can follow. Okay. Instead of services, I can also use the word Bangalore. It will show the websites as well as Twitter profiles. If it is showing Twitter profile means directly you can follow that Twitter profile by clicking follow option. If it is showing any website in the search results means you can open their website. You can open the website. After opening the website, see the Twitter icon. Click this Twitter icon and follow them like this. Okay. So these are the methods through which you can find the targeted people related to your business, related to your services and follow them. One more method is there. These methods we have discussed using free options, like without spending anything, organic process. We can find the targeted people using hashtag as well as different searches in Google. One more method is there using some tools. Like in SEO, we have discussed about Mosebar. Okay, you remember Mosebar, right? What is the purpose of Mosebar? To show the domain authority. To show the domain authority, we have discussed about Mosebar. This company, Moz company, has created one tool called Follower Wonk. Follower Wonk is a tool which is created by Moz company. This Moz company has created so many tools actually, digital marketing tools, like Open Site Explorer, that is a competitor backlink analysis tool, same as like Ahrefs. And this Moz company has created one more tool called Follower Wonk, completely related to Twitter analytics, Twitter competitor analytics. Okay, so you can call it as Twitter analysis and competitor analytics tool. So we can do more research inside the tool actually. So what exactly we can do in this tool? How it is going to help in our Twitter marketing? We'll see. This is a paid tool actually, but up to some extent it is free. One profile, it is completely free. Okay, one profile analysis, it is completely free. And number of Twitter profile searches per day, results per search, analyze accounts, analysis per day, downloads per day. What we can check inside the tool, we'll see. After that, you will come to know what is the meaning of all these options. First, we'll complete these options here. Then you can go to the pricing and see what is the meaning of all these options. You'll understand clearly. So, trial version is enough to understand this tool actually. So, how to use this tool means you can log in directly with the Twitter account. Sign in with the Twitter. Okay. What is the purpose of using this tool? We'll see now. See, for example, in your profile, you have some followers. Now, my requirement is from which location, how many followers I got. It is showing as 524 followers. So I want to know from which location how many followers I got. How will you know? Directly in Twitter, if twitter.com, if you open each and every person location, you have to see manually. You need to open the profile and see. But what is my requirement? I want to see how many followers I got from which location. That's my requirement. So manually you can see, but automatically it won't show anything, and there is no advanced option to see in the Twitter. If you use the follower one tool, it will show how many followers you got from which location instantly. And other advantage is, for example, I want to know how many people are following us every day, how many people are unfollowing us every day. If it is a small company, you don't have much followers and thousands of followers, thousands of following won't be there. That means more activity won't be there. If it is a big company, for example, if you are working for any big MNC company, so they will have thousands of lakhs of followers. Every day they want to know how many followers they are gaining, how many followers they are losing over a period of time. They need a graphical representation. Okay. So it is not possible to check manually every day, right? So we need some tool for that. And also I want to search the bio descriptions of different profiles. So for all this purpose, for all these advantages, we can use this tool. So we'll see one by one. First one is search bios. Right now we are in the trial version. Okay. So I will tell you what is the difference between trial version and paid version. One profile will be allowed in the trial version. More profile analysis if you want to do, you need to go for paid version. So what is the purpose of this search bios? Search bios means, first of all, what is the meaning of bios? Bios is nothing but your bio description. Whatever you have created, whatever you have written in the bio description, this content is nothing but bios. Okay, something about your company, that is called bio description. What is the search bios means? We can search for some words. We can use the words and we can search this particular word in thousands of profiles, lakhs of profiles. So what, for example, I want to see the bio descriptions. That means I want to search for the bio descriptions of various profiles using this keyword, digital marketing services in Bangalore. So in how many bio descriptions people kept this keyword? That is my requirement. Search bios only. You can also give location if you want. How many people kept their location as Bangalore in the profile, and how many people are using this particular word, this particular phrase in bio description. So I want to know all those profiles and I want to follow them. So click do it. It is showing as around 16 results. 16 results it is showing. Digital marketing services and Bangalore. So what it is showing here is, if digital marketing is matching, it is showing. Bangalore is matching also, it is showing. That means digital marketing is somewhere, Bangalore is somewhere. If you want to see at a time, if you want to see in a single phrase, you can also use these quotations. Use the quotations like this. It will fetch exact results. We don't get any results like this because many people won't use. I am using digital marketing services. Anyway, location is Bangalore. I kept the location as Bangalore. Click to it. Now what will happen? It will show many profiles. Around 32 results I got. So at a time, digital marketing services should be there. See this. It is getting highlighted or not? It is getting in this bold letters. Digital marketing service is getting in bold letters. And all these people location is Bangalore only. See this. All these people kept their location as Bangalore while creating the profile. Okay. These are all the people who kept digital marketing services in their bio description. And these individual profiles data you can see here, how many tweets they posted, how many people they are having followers, how many people they are following, when the account is opened, what is the social authority. Social authority is nothing but based upon their engagements, based upon their activity in Twitter. This follower one tool allocated this authority. Like for any website, domain authority is given by most company, right? In the same way, based upon the activity of these profiles, follower one company given this social authority. It is calculated from 0 to 100. 0 is less and 100 is more. So at least you can follow the people who are having more than 30 authority. or some 20 authority. Very, very new profiles won't have authority. If they don't have much engagement, authority won't be there. So like this, whatever the client business you are having, for which client you are working, related to that client, you can enter some different keywords. Okay, search the different bio descriptions, follow them, and also follow their competitors. Follow some good companies who are having good authority, and follow their competitors also. Follow their followers also. Okay, you can first follow the competitor. Later, you can follow the followers of your competitor. Followers are nothing but maybe some of them may be customers who are already converted. Some of them may be new people still who has not converted. Okay. For example, if you are following a company, means the meaning is you might have taken the service from that company, or you are interested to take the service from the company. Definitely, you are a potential candidate. So follow your competitor first, then follow your competitor followers also. Using this tool, it is possible to find any profiles who mention different keywords. Next, compare users. Compare users means we can compare the multiple Twitter profiles. Okay, multiple Twitter profiles in your company. If you get any Twitter marketing project, your client will ask you, please do some competitor analysis. How many followers our competitor is having? When the competitor opened his Twitter profile, how actively our competitor is doing postings in Twitter, like this. So we will enter some competitor profiles. For example, like okay, I entered two competitors' names, Twitter IDs. How will you get the Twitter IDs? Means you go to the website driveview.in. For example, driveview.in is a cab services company. Okay, and Meru Cabs is also one cab services company. In this driveview.in, Twitter icon is there. If you click this, you can see their ID. This is the Twitter ID. So driveview_in and Meru Cabs. Two profiles entered. I can enter up to 3 profiles actually, but as of now I'm entering 2 profiles. If you go for paid version, then you can go for more profiles comparison also. Compare their followers, click do it. Okay. So you can take the screenshot and you can keep in the PPT and you can send it to the client. So that client will understand what is who is performing well. So if you observe here, followers of DriveView 437 people, followers of Meru Cabs 20,000 people, followers of both some common people who are following DriveView and who are following Meru Cabs both. Combined total followers are 20,826. Okay. And if you see here, social authority of DriveView 36, Meru Cabs is 41, and even this is having blue tick also because this is a big company and they verified their profile using some documents, professional documents they applied and they got some blue tick. There will be some criteria to get blue tick, at least some 10,000 followers or 20,000 followers. Some criteria will be there, like in Facebook page. Okay, so those guidelines you can check in there in the Twitter support section. Okay, so followers of DriveView 484, Meru Cabs 20,000, and retweets. What is retweet? What is at contacts? We'll see in the next step. After this tool, we'll discuss about retweets. As of now, just understand the process. Days on Twitter, when this DriveView opened their profile, when Meru Cabs opened their profile, average followers per week. Meru Cabs is getting around some 1 follower. They're getting around 12 followers, and 10 tweets they're posting per week. So total tweets they posted 1,434. These people posted around 8,900 tweets, average tweets per week. So based upon this data, which is performing well means Meru Cabs is performing well. That means they are posting more tweets per week they are more active, and profile is also older one. Just you can take this screenshot and you can send it to the DriveView client and tell them this is the performance, current performance. Okay. So in case if you get any project in your company, you can create a proposal, competitor performance proposal you can create, and you can send it to the client. Next one is analyze. So what we can analyze here means, as already I discussed about one point called like from which location how many followers we got. Okay. From which location how many followers we got, at what time we are active, at what time our followers are active. This kind of data you won't get in Twitter directly. We need to use these tools. Okay. In analyze section, you can enter any profile ID. For example, DriveView_ID. Analyze their followers. Click do it. You can analyze your profile or your competitor profile also. I think it's fine. So what you are getting here, map locations of DriveView followers. If you are working for a DriveView company, it will show your followers. If you want to see your competitor data, you can enter your competitor name and see the data. So what it is showing, DriveView followers locations. From which location DriveView is getting followers. From India, 293 followers they have. Again, if you click India, it will show cities. From which city, how many followers. Again, if you click that particular city, it will show the area names also. Now I clicked Bangalore, I'm getting all these Bangalore areas. Okay. So like this, you can go with the deeper metrics in these locations, mapped locations of DriveView followers. This is one metric here. Most active hours of DriveView followers. At what time DriveView followers are active? At what time? How many followers are active? Okay. 8:30 to 9:30. How many followers are active? So followers activity you can see. Most active hours per DriveView. Per DriveView means at what time DriveView is active. How many tweets are posting, how many retweets, all this. Okay. Next we have bio-word cloud of DriveView followers. DriveView is having some followers, right? Those followers kept this kind of words in their bio description. In their bio description, this kind of words they kept. That is the meaning. And location word cloud of DriveView followers. DriveView is having some followers, right? Those followers location cloud. Location cloud is nothing but from which location they got followers. If they get more followers from any particular city, it will be shown in bigger letters. If they get less followers from any city, it will show in small letters like this. Okay. So up to here, these are some important metrics. There are so many other second, low priority metrics. Secondary, you can call it as secondary metrics. Up to here, whatever we have discussed, these are some important primary metrics. Secondary metrics means like still more deeper metrics. If you are working for Indian clients, these secondary metrics are not that much important actually, but still we'll see what is this. Social authority scores of DriveView followers. So DriveView is having some followers. Some followers they are having, right? So how many followers are having 0 to 10 authority? How many followers are having 1 to 10 authority? How many followers are having 41 to 50 authority? Like this you can see. You can also enter your competitor profile in this analyze section. In this analyze section, you can enter your competitor profile and you can follow your competitor top authority people. Okay, top authority followers you can follow. For example, your competitor is having some followers. You want to follow the high authority followers. Whoever is having 81 to 90 authority, those people you can go and follow. Okay. And gender of DriveView followers. This may not be accurate actually, but still you can see the data here. And follower counts of DriveView followers. DriveView is having some followers. Again, each follower is having some followers. Those follower counts. So that is the reason I told these are all secondary metrics, not that much important. Account ages of DriveView followers. DriveView is having some followers. Those ages. How many people opened their profile recently? How many people opened their profile before 1 year back, before 2 years back? So this kind of data. So if you work for any other foreign clients, you can just download this report, save this report and send it to the clients. That's the process. This kind of deeper metrics we cannot see in Twitter directly. Next, track followers. Okay. Track followers means this option is completely paid actually. This one we can't see for any Twitter profile. It will show the data only for follower-wonk tool. As of now, we are using follower-wonk tool, right? For follower-wonk tool only, it will show the data. So, for example, from past 120 days, what is the trend of follower-wonk followers? Every day, how many people they are getting followers, how many people they are losing. So, just observe here. Daily new followers means it is gaining means it will show in the green color. If they are losing the followers means it will show in the red color like this. Okay. So based upon this, we can understand whether our marketing is correctly going on. If there is there any mistake. So if you don't post the tweets properly, if your tweets are not engaging, definitely you will lose the followers. Okay, net followers is nothing but total net followers, which you got at the end of the 120 days. Again, you can see day wise, you can see how many followers you gained, how many followers you lost on an average. Days with losses, days with gains, and no changes. Days with no change. Okay. And short followers. So why this option is required means because if your marketing is completely going wrong means definitely you have to check why we are losing followers. Many European countries, US based clients, they will get more engagement in Twitter and they will get business through Twitter also. Business means people will see the Twitter regularly there. They will follow the accounts and they will engage in Twitter. So if your Twitter marketing is going wrong in different countries which you are targeting, then definitely you lose the business. So we need some tools to analyze the performance. Short followers. Short followers means again the same thing. This is completely a paid option. It will show the data only for follower-wonk. So in case if you take the paid version, you can enter the client your competitor Twitter ID here. Okay, your competitor Twitter ID you can enter here and see their followers. See their followers. All followers will be displayed here. Again, whoever the follower you feel it is related to your business, you can follow them. If you take the paid version, you can directly click follow here. You can also sort the profiles. Okay, enter your competitor Twitter ID, see their followers. All their followers will be displayed. All your competitor followers will be displayed. Again, you can sort the followers by using these filters. If you click social authority, for example, it will show from like high to low. Okay, it will show from descending order, high to low, 98, 98. So we can follow those top profiles, or else you can choose some profiles related to your business. You can also download this data and filter the people. Later you can follow them. So like this, you can use some filters, advanced filters, sort followers, and you can find them. So this is all about finding the targeted profiles in Twitter and following them. Now, how to do actual marketing in Twitter we'll see, like how to post the tweets, what is the tweet limit, what are the options available for every tweet on right side and in the bottom we'll see. This is all about finding the targeted people and following them. We can find the targeted people using search bios by entering the keywords. We can also find the targeted people using the sort followers. We can also analyze our performance and our competitors' performance. We can compare multiple Twitter profiles using this compare users. We can see at what time we are getting more engagements in our Twitter profile and what time our followers are engaging. From which location we are getting more followers. From which location our competitor is getting more followers. Everything you can see. And how many followers we are losing per day, how many followers we are gaining per day. This kind of data you can analyze these two. Okay. So if you take paid version, then everything will be enabled. As of now, it is showing subscribe because we are in the trial version. The only difference is If you take paid version, entire tool is free with more options, with more data. Okay. If you take the paid free version, limited data, limited options. Okay. That's the process. Now we'll see.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, one doubt, sir. I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you were telling about the social authority, sir. Authority.
Yeah.
What is that, sir? I mean, it is like Alexa or most
Not,
rank, sir. I mean,
not Alexa actually.
1
See,
to 100, 1 to 50.
for example, for any website, domain authority is given by Mosbar, right? On what basis domain
Yes,
authority is decided means based upon the on page and off page, how you are building high quality, how you are building backlinks, and how you are optimizing your website within the pages like content, URL structures, everything. It will be decided by most company. In the same way, follower wonk will decide the social authority based upon the user engagement. For example, your Twitter ID is DriveU. Okay, based upon your performance, how you are posting the tweets, how many people are engaging with your tweets, like likes, retweets, comments, and how actively you are logging in Twitter, and how you are participating in Twitter, how actively you are browsing in Twitter, how many followers you have. Based upon all these factors, based upon activity of your profile, follower wonk tool will decide the social authority. Okay, still.
uh, sir, sir, it means we need to check the rank, sir. What is the rank of that Twitter account?
Social authority it is showing now.
Like,
Here it is showing now. You can see the Twitter profiles by using this social authority. You can filter this. You can also download this and apply the filters in your Excel sheet and find the targeted Twitter profiles who are having good authority and who are having good number of tweets, who are having more followers, like this. Once you download the data, if you know how to apply the filter in Excel, you can do any kind of filters and you can find the people. Okay. So next one we'll see how to post the tweets here. So tweet character limit is around 280 characters. Previously it is 140 characters. From 2000, I think 2015 or 16 onwards, Twitter doubled the character limit size. It is 280 characters. So while posting the tweet, you can also check the character limit using character count tool. So there is a tool called character count. Before posting the tweet here, you can also check your content, okay, and see whether characters are matching with 280 characters or not. Okay. So for example, I'll post some content. So I want to see how many characters it is. It's showing 431 characters. Okay. Now 296 characters, 209 characters. Even the space is also one character actually. Spaces are also counted as characters. One paragraph, 3 sentences, 38 words, 209 characters. You need to copy this. You can I can copy this and paste here. You can also attach the URLs. Okay, URLs, instead of posting the URLs directly, you can also shorten the URL. So there are some tools, right? goo.gl. This tool is not there now. Weekly. For example, instead of posting a big URL, what you can do, lengthy URL, you can shorten the URL. Copy the length, copy the URL here, shorten. You can get this short URL. This is the URL shortener. Using URL shortener, you can reduce the length of the URL and paste here. Okay. And you can also attach an image or video. Media means attach an image or video. Along with this tweet, one more tweet also you can attach. It is additional. And you can also add the GIF file. Poll means you can ask one question. Below that question, give answer. Choice 1, choice 2. Run this poll for 7 days and see the opinion of the people choice according to the people choice, you can finalize the answer. You can see the responses. You can see the responses from people. You can also add the emojis, or you can also schedule this tweet. Okay. If you click tweet directly, it will be posted. Otherwise, it will be scheduled. Okay. So click this tweet. So who will see the tweet means tweet will be seen by your followers. Okay. Your followers will get update. Whatever the tweets you are posting, all those tweets will be seen by your followers. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of all these options? In your company, regularly every 2 to 3 days once, or at least 1 or 2 tweets every day you can post. If you don't have time to post every day, you can also schedule the tweets using some third-party social media automation tools. Those tools also I'll show you how to do the automation. Like instead of logging in every day and posting manually, we can do some automation. So regularly, every day, if you post some tweets, your followers will come to know some updates and they'll engage with your tweets. So what are the options available here? Any tweet you open, any tweet you see, these kind of options will be there. Below the tweet as well as right side of the tweet. What is the meaning of all these options? Any tweet you open, for example, digital marketing services I'm entering. I'll get some tweets, right? So what is the meaning of all these options? Okay, so for example, we have the first option is reply. So if I like any tweet, I can like this tweet by clicking like button. If I want to give a public reply, I can click this reply option, write one reply. This is a public reply. Okay. Next we have retweet. In Facebook, we have an option called share. Below the image or below the video, share option will be there. If you click share means it will be shared to all your friends. Here in Twitter, there is no friends concept, only followers. So whenever I click retweet, what will happen means it will be shared with all my followers. If I click retweet, it will be shared with all my followers. Okay. Quote tweet means you can also just write some code, a comment, and you can retweet. If you go to any celebrity profile, you can see thousands of retweets. If any tweet is very attractive or viral, it will have thousands and lakhs of retweets. Like, and share. So send via direct message. Send via direct message means, for example, this tweet I want to send it to somebody. I can send it via direct message. Click send via direct message. So to my followers as well as whom I am following, to those people I can send. For example, I am following this person. If I click this person's name, I can send via direct message. Sending it via direct message, that is the meaning. Add tweet to bookmarks. If you are browsing some tweets, if you like any tweet, if you want to save the tweet, if you want to save any website, what will you do? You can click star. It will be saved as a bookmark in your bookmarks manager. The same way, if you like any tweet, if you want to save the tweet means, you can add tweet to bookmarks. So go to this option here. Add tweet to bookmarks. If I click add tweet to bookmarks, it will go to my bookmarks. Later I can access all my favorite tweets. So while browsing, if you want to save any particular tweet, you can add tweet to bookmarks, it will go to the bookmarks. Next, copy link to tweet. Copy link to tweet means a particular tweet link you can copy and you can share it somewhere. So for example, I will open an incognito window, private window I am opening. So I click to copy link to tweet. This particular tweet will open in a new window. Exclusive tweet URL. Exclusive tweet URL you will get. So this is the exclusive tweet URL which we are seeing now. Below this we have some more tweets that is different. On right side also it is showing something different. Okay. So any particular tweet URL, if you want to do cross promotion. Cross promotion means like in LinkedIn groups or in Facebook groups somewhere. You can copy this tweet link somewhere and you can promote. Okay. Share tweet via some mails in the mail or different platforms. Copy link. Anywhere you can share. Basically like mail only. Share tweet via mail. These are all the options which we have below the tweet. And right side of the tweet, what we have here. So this tweet was not helpful. You know the meaning of this. And report tweet. You know the meaning of this also. Block the tweet. Unfollow this person. If I unfollow means I don't get any updates next time. Okay. So next one is add or remove from the list. List is just an optional actually. If you want to add any tweet to any particular list, you can add it to the list. It will be there. Mute this person. That means you won't get any notifications if you mute. Block. And embed tweet. Embed tweet means embedding means always adding anything in your website using the code, embed code. We can embed the tweets, we can embed the YouTube videos, we can embed the Google Maps also in our website. For example, if I click embed tweet, what it will show here? It is showing some code. This particular code I can copy and I can tell my developer, or else I can go to the server. In any particular page below the paragraph somewhere, if I copy this code and paste there, this tweet will be loaded in my website. This tweet will be displayed in my website. Okay. For example, I have an attractive tweet in my Twitter profile. I want to show that tweet in my website. Then I can copy this embedded code and paste below any paragraph. You know how to edit the source code, right? Go to the source code. Below the paragraph, you can copy this code. This tweet will be loaded in the website. Okay. So many people will keep the embedded tweets in their website as testimonials. So if you go to the site called Sendy.co, Sendy.co is a email marketing tool actually. In this website, if you see, you can see many embedded tweets. These are all embedded tweets actually. These are all embedded tweets, what people are saying. Okay. So they kept all the embedded tweets in their website. How to keep the embedded tweet means just to get the code, give this code to the developer. Developer will add the code in the website somewhere in the below the paragraph or right side. We can embed the videos also. For example, in our website, if you see, videos are playing from YouTube. These videos we have not uploaded in our website actually. In our website server, we have not uploaded these videos. These videos are playing from YouTube. Okay. If you go to YouTube, okay, and if you click this share button, we have embed. In the embed section, you can see this. This particular code is added in our website. That is the reason it is playing in our website. So all these are embedded videos. Every video will have its own embedded code. Okay, that's the meaning. And in our website, if you see in the contact us page, there is a Google Map. Google Map is there, no? How Google Map is coming in the contact us page? How this Google Map is coming? This is also an embedded map. Okay. So you can implement all this in your client website also. So if you go to Google Maps, if you type any company name, for example, EasyDrive or Digital, whatever you type here. So I want to show this Google Map in my website. EasyDrive entered and there is a physical location. If you click this share button, embed a map. Embed a map. Click this. What kind of size you want, large or medium or small. Select that particular option. Copy HTML code. Send this code to the developer. Developer will add the code in the particular section where you want to display the code because some alignment is required. You can't do everything even if you know. So just send the code to the developer. Developer will add the code where exactly you want to display the map in that particular section. If you tell them, they will display. So this map is coming from Google Maps embedded code. Like this, you can embed the tweets, videos, and maps. All about website on code, embedding the code in the website on. Okay, this is the process. And next one we have Twitter Analytics. Twitter Analytics. So how to analyze our performance regularly, every 2 to 3 days once, or at least daily one tweet if you post means it will be more better to reach your targeted followers. And what exactly you have to post in Twitter means your company updates, some promotional updates or offers, or some content, some educational content, something interesting content you can post so that people can engage with your tweets. If you don't know how to create the images like banners, If you don't have any web design in your company, you can create the banners using canva.com. Go to canva.com, okay, and log in with your credentials. Just to select the Twitter post, something like this, and you can create the banners. Canva.com is a online tool through which you can create the banners. This is a free tool actually, but if you take the premium subscription, you can get so many paid templates. Premium templates also can get. So ready-made options will be there, just you need to select. Okay, so for example, I'll go to the search Canva. Okay, what you want to create? Twitter post you want to create. Automatically pixel will be displayed, so no need to create anything separately, no need to create any custom design, nothing to worry. Automatically it will display, it will show all the results. According to that, you can select Twitter post I want to create, or Twitter cover banner, that is Twitter header. Okay, Twitter ad, what is the size? You can see here. Twitter post. Okay, you can select some templates. Free templates will be there, as well as paid templates also will be there. If you want to create some very attractive banners, you can take the paid version also. In Twitter, in Canva, there is a paid version also. Okay, just select that option and drag and drop icons or text. Anything you can drag and drop. You can create your banner. No need to worry about any kind of Photoshop or graphic designing tools. Canva is more than enough to create any kind of banners. Okay. So I selected the template. I can modify whatever I want. So in the elements, there are so many icons here, backgrounds, thousands of icons are available. You can write the text and insert the text. Whatever the changes you want, you can drag and drop. Once your banner is ready, you can just export this. Click download. Okay. So in the PNG version, the PNG format, you can download. Not in the JPG actually. PNG is high quality image. Okay, so select the PNG and download this. You can also directly publish to Twitter by logging into the Twitter ID. I think it's fine. Okay. So any kind of template you can create using canva.com or Crello.com. One more tool is there called Crello. Crello.com is there. Free graphic design software with 50,000 plus free templates. Okay. All are ready-made templates. You can also create some YouTube thumbnails, YouTube videos also. Okay. By attaching multiple images, you can create a video or brochures, flyers, logos, anything is possible. So now we'll come to this tool, analytics.twitter.com. So what exactly you can check in the analytics.twitter.com means you can see the performance, like how it is performing over a period of time. Like for example, view all tweet activity. Open analytics.twitter.com. View all tweet activity and you can see the tweets, top tweets. In case in Canva, if you want to create any custom design which is not available here, according to your own dimensions, if you want to create any post, you can click this create a design and you can create your own custom size. For example, these are all inbuilt sizes. According to the platform, it will show the size. So if you want to design your own banner with your own dimensions, click this create a design, custom size. Custom size means, for example, 500 by 950, something like this. 500 by 950 pixels. Click create new design. According to your dimensions, you can create a custom design. 500 by 950, like this, and you can download this once it is done. Okay. Templates are available as well as custom dimensions are also available. Anything is fine. So here in the tweet activity, what we can see, each and every tweet and its performance, like how many impressions. Impressions are nothing but how many people saw the tweet. Engagements is nothing but how many engagements you got on that particular tweet. Engagement rate means how many engagements, like clicks, retweets, replies, follows, and likes, divided by total number of impressions. So engagements divided by impressions into 100 if you do.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Yeah. Engagements divided by impressions if you do. Engagements divided by impressions into 100 if you do. You will get this engagement rate. Okay. So this is the process, and you can also see the top tweets, what are the top tweets performing well here, and tweets and replies. If you get any replies for the tweets, you can see here. And if you promote any tweets, whatever the tweets you promoted, those tweets will be displayed here. Okay. So Twitter ads are not important for any client in India. Actually, nobody will run Twitter ads. In case if you get any requirement in your company for any other country level clients, US or UK clients, you can run the Twitter ads, but it is not effective in India. Okay. And one more point is, if you know the Facebook ads, the same process you can do in Twitter ads also. So I'm not going to discuss any Twitter ads. We don't have any data to show also. So whatever the objectives we have in Facebook ads, the same objectives and same process we can implement in Twitter ads. If you type Twitter ads objectives, okay, you will be getting this link. We can see this. In Twitter ads, you have to do the credit card setup, then only you can create the campaigns, otherwise it won't allow. Okay, so what kind of objectives we have in Twitter, we'll see. Are you able to hear now? Are you getting my voice now? Hello?
No, sir. Not clear, sir.
Yeah, actually.
Not clear, sir. It's still breaking.
Okay. So some internet issue right now. Previously there is no issue. Okay. So Twitter ads objectives are same as like Facebook ads, only nothing different. Video views, pre-roll views, app installs, website clicks. Like traffic campaign in Facebook ads, we have website clicks. Engagement is nothing but boost post campaign in Facebook ads. And in Facebook we have likes campaign. Here it is followers campaign. With follow button it will show people can follow the profiles, Twitter profile, and a conversion campaign also. So the same process how we have discussed in the Facebook ads, here also the same process. You need to set up the campaign, ad set, enter your daily budget, location, targeted keywords, ad creation, and billing. Same process as like Facebook ads, nothing to worry. So if you get any requirement in your company, you can go for Twitter ads. As of now, nothing to practice in Twitter ads, and you can't practice also without entering the credit card. So no need to worry about this. And as of now, just to go with the organic marketing process. Organic marketing. Whenever you get any requirement in the company, then only go for Twitter ads. Still, are you getting any voice issue or are you able to hear me? Are you getting my voice now?
But not clear.
Okay. So Twitter ads is same as like Facebook ads. Whenever you get a requirement in your company, you can set up the account in Twitter, create the campaign, add group ads. Nothing to discuss separately. The same process as like Facebook ads you can follow. Whenever you get any other clients like other foreign clients, then only you can go for it. Indian clients won't do any Twitter ads. Now we'll discuss some automation tools through which you can do the automatic scheduling. So there are some tools like buffer.com. These are some social media automation tools. Hootsuite.com. Okay. So what we can do with these tools means, for example, if your client is having social media presence in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, and some other platforms. Instead of posting in each and every platform separately, what you can do means you can schedule the post at a time in all the platforms. Multiple social networks you can post at a time. Okay. For example, I want to post an image in 10 social media platforms at a time in my client Facebook page, Twitter account, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and StumbleUpon. So like this in multiple places I want to post my image at a time. Then what we have to do means we need to log in every time and post. It is a time taking process, right? So that is the reason you can go for some social media management platforms. One time you have to add all your social accounts in this kind of tools. Add all your accounts one time, post the image, select the accounts, automatically it will be posted from buffer.com. Okay. These are the social media automation tools. Like for example, up to 3 profiles, it is free. More than 3 if you want to post means you need to go for paid tool. More than 3 if you want to go, you need to go for the paid version. Same as like this Hootsuite. Hootsuite is also one social media platform, one automation platform through which we can post at a time. This is also free up to 3 profiles. More than 3 if you want, you can go for the paid version. Okay. 2 social accounts actually. So try our limited free plan. 2 social accounts, 5 scheduled messages, 1 user. Sign up. So what you can do means you can try these tools once. Do the registration, login. You already have a you already have a Facebook page, right? You might have practiced the Facebook page creation. Create one Twitter account with your own name. Create one Facebook page with your own name. Add your Twitter account and add your Facebook page in this hootsuite.com or buffer.com. Post one image and see whether it is going to that particular social account or not. Okay. Just you can take it as like an assignment and you can practice this. 10 social accounts if you want to schedule 1,260 per month. Okay. Unlimited post and 20 social accounts 6,600 per month, like this. There are multiple accounts. When we have to use this kind of tools means if you have so many clients in your company and each client is asking to do the social media marketing every day, then manually it is not possible. So you have to go for paid tools. Okay. It's clear to all of you? So practice all this. In the next class, we'll discuss about the LinkedIn marketing, LinkedIn organic and paid marketing. We'll see in the next class. Okay. That's it for today. So just to create a Twitter profile, nothing to wait actually. No need to wait for anything. Nothing to do any payment in Twitter for practicing purpose. Create a profile in Twitter and practice all the options, whatever we have discussed. Create a profile in Twitter with your own name and observe all the options, whatever we have discussed till now. Okay. So that's it for today. In case if you are not able to hear any voice issue, you can watch the video. Just check in the LMS platform. Okay. So we'll see tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you.